statements are set to begin today at 10 a.m. in the murder trial of David Ware. He's the man charged in the 2020 shooting that left Tulsa Police Sergeant Craig Johnson dead and Officer Rex Arkashan in rehab for several months. He's charged with first-degree murder and intent to kill. The prosecution seeking the death penalty in this case. 2 News Oklahoma reporter Caitlin Rivas joining us live in studio with a breakdown of how we got to today. Caitlin.
Good morning. Before the trial can begin, a jury had to be selected. Jury selection began 2 weeks ago on April 4th. 200 potential jurors were brought in and asked to fill out a 16-page questionnaire. The attorneys asked questions about following the law when it comes to the death penalty. Are jurors willing to consider the death penalty? And if their family has any ties to the victims? A final count of 9 men and 3 women were chosen. Ware's attorney claims Ware feared for his life and that his civil rights were violated. He says trials are a search for the truth, and that's what they hope to show the jury.
We will learn what happened on June the 29th, and learn the truth about what happened on June the 29th, 2020.
Assistant District Attorney Kevin Gray argues the traffic stop was legal and the officers had probable cause to arrest Ware, and say Ware did not have the right to use deadly force while resisting arrest. Gray says he is confident in the state's case and the competency of that jury.
A group of citizens are going to walk in and start seeing evidence. They're going to start seeing exactly what happened on that day. They're going to hear from eyewitnesses about what happened. They're going to hear about the investigation. And sadly, they're probably going to have to watch some of the most difficult footage they've ever watched in their lives.
After reviewing 3 body cam videos, Tulsa County District Judge Bill LaFortune ruled the defense could not claim self-defense until more evidence supporting that is brought in. So that brings us to today. Now, when the prosecution seeks the death penalty, the sentence is decided by the jury and must be unanimous. If even one juror disagrees with death, a sentence of life in prison will be issued and there will not be a retrial. In studio, Caitlin Rivas, 2 News, Oklahoma.
Caitlin, thank you very much. For a complete breakdown of that trial as it plays out, make sure to download our free 2 News app or stay up with our website, kgrh.com. Naomi Kitt will also be covering that story all day today, so stay tuned for that on air as well.